In automotive network testing, engineers need their tools to do more with less. Meet the NetLion 1000 and the NetLion 10G from B+. One of our customers used to rely on 2 individual converters and a separate switch for port mirroring. With the NetLion, they replaced all 3 with a single compact device, cutting hardware costs and bench space dramatically. The NetLion features 2 fully independent bidirectional media converter channels that simultaneously convert T1 Automotive Ethernet to standard Ethernet with no cross-channel interference. Switch to network TAP mode, and the NetLion decouples live traffic from both T1 line ends simultaneously, forwarding it to your measurement PC without touching or interrupting the original bus communication. True Layer 1 tap. Instant, passive, zero disruption. Configuration is completely flexible. Flip the DIP switches on the hardware for quick in-vehicle setup, no laptop needed. Or use the intuitive web interface for full software control, including auto-negotiation, master-slave assignment, and mode switching. 5 onboard signal quality LEDs give you an at-a-glance view of your T1 link health. No software needed. And when you suspect a cable issue, the built-in cable tester instantly reports line length, polarity, and connection status, open, short, or terminated. Dual media conversion, network tap, signal monitoring, and cable testing, all in one rugged device. The NetLion. Simplify your T1 test setup. Visit Techteal.com to learn more.